Welcome back to Excel Vortex. So far, we have established two things. Excel is a language and a cell in single thought. Now we answer the question that breaks most spreadsheets before formulas even appear. Where do thoughts go? So what you're going to learn in this video.
In this video, you will learn the real difference between rows and columns, why mixing them creates confusion that no formula can fix, how Excel quietly teaches you to separate events from properties. So what prerequisites that you need? You actually need only one thing, the idea from the last video. One cell, one idea. No formulas, no shortcuts. Rows and columns look equal, aren't they? But they are not. Excel treats them differently because they represent different kind of thinking. Think of it this way. Rows represent things that happen. Columns represent things that describe. Rows are events, entries, instances, moments, whereas columns are attributes, properties, characteristics, identity. Distinction is not optional, it's structural. So let's create a simple database, a simple table. Date, customer, and amount. So one row is equal to one transaction, and another row, if we put things over here, suppose Ram is there and 10,000 rupees amount. So each row represents one transaction, and another row represents another transaction. Time moves down. That's not convention, that's logic. Now watch what people often do. People often create a table like this. Customer, January, February, and then March. It does look fine, but it actually isn't. What you have done here is mix time with attributes. January, February, March are not properties of the customer. They are events in time. This structure will fight you later. Every formula will feel harder than it should, not because Excel is bad, but because your model is empty. Excel rewards honesty. If something repeats over time, it belongs in rows. If something describes an entity, it belongs in columns.
Now, let's fix this. So how exactly this should be? So in the first column, we are going to take customer, then month, and then amount. Now suddenly filtering makes sense. Why? Let me make some entries. So there is Ram, Sham, and there is Mohan. In the month of January, February, and March, they have paid certain amount. Take like 12,000, 13,000, 15,000.
Rows can expand normally, but columns don't. Rows can expand in whatever way they want. That's the hidden reason databases, reports, and systems all think this way. Excel is teaching you systems thinking quietly. So what you have to learn actually and how you can implement this, here's the rule you can carry forward. Rows are equal to events over time. Columns are equal to attributes that describe those events. Before typing anything into Excel, ask, what is repeating here? What is constant? Put repetition in rows. Put description in columns. That one habit will make your sheets expandable instead of fragile. So, closing this video, Excel doesn't hate complexity, it hates confused structure. Respect rows and columns. Excel starts working with you, not against you. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Excel Vortex for upcoming videos.